There. Now to news from Pennsylvania state capitol. Several organizations as a whole are calling on lawmakers to take up a comprehensive probation reform bill.
The legislation passed the state Senate last December with bipartisan support, and now advocates are urging the House to get it across the finish line. Erie News Now state capitol correspondent Brendan Scanlon joins us now live to break down the bill and why advocates are hoping lawmakers will act fast. Brendan.
Eva and Mike, good evening. This morning we heard from several advocates, district attorneys, business leaders, and even some conservative think tanks who all say parole and probation reform can only help Pennsylvania.
Probation reform is part of a workforce development agenda in Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania has one of the highest rates of people on probation and parole in the country at number 11. More than half of individuals admitted to prisons are there for violations of probation or parole, but many of those violations are not criminal.
It's harming employers, it's harming communities, and it's a detriment to Pennsylvania's economy.
And when you have, for years and years, people re-entering the system just due to technical violations, they are not committing a new crime, I think that is fodder for re-examination.
Ashley Klingensmith with Americans for Prosperity represents one of several organizations calling on the House to take up Senate Bill 913. The bill limits technical violations like traffic offenses and creates a new probation review process to help incentivize individuals. Klingensmith says the bill can help taxpayers, the state's economy, and an overwhelmed law enforcement community.
Law enforcement is strained. This is going to free them up to focus on the folks that need more help to succeed.
The bipartisan bill also has support from law enforcement who say similar local initiatives have been successful.
92% of those individuals who had their probation supervision terminated early did not return with a new offense.
Advocates say the legislation will reduce recidivism and promote rehabilitation and redemption.
Better probation system can help improve public safety and move our Commonwealth toward a justice system that emphasizes both accountability and rehabilitation.
And with only 12 session days remaining in the 2021-2022 legislative session here in Harrisburg, advocates like Klingensmith are hoping that House lawmakers will take swift action to pass and send the bill to the governor's desk. Reporting live in Harrisburg, Brendan Scanlon, Erie News Now.